fine Saturday evening here in Surat as easemytrip.com Big Cricket League continues. Action coming from the Lal Bhai Contractor Stadium. It's the MP Tigers who are in action for the first time. They'll be taking on Rajasthan Regals. A short while ago, the two captains were down for the toss with Chaitanya Sant.
Head is the call.
Head is the call.
Heads, you win. What you will do?
We are going to bowl first.
And heads it is. Yes, Dilshan, we'll have a quick chat with you. Yes, Dilshan, you have won the toss. What are you doing?
I'm going to bowl first.
Regals winning the toss and bowling first. They want to turn around their form from the first game. Tilakrani Dilshan leading the side in place of Shahbaz Nadeem. Two-time World Cup winner Yusuf Pathan is in the house as well. Sakit Sharma is going to open the innings for the MP Tigers. And at the other end is Naman Oja. Lots to learn, lots to soak up. Shahbaz Nadeem, he is going to be opening the bowling. Just a bit short and this is good. Quick run here. Direct hit needed. Good work from the fielder and keeper combination as well. Well, directed was needed, but the throw was on point and the keeper probably did make a mistake, and this could be the first wicket. Confirmation then on the big screen. The first wicket has fallen courtesy of a run out. It's Naman Oja. Gone for a duck without facing a ball. It's 4 for 1.
बाहरी किनारा मिल गई कामयाबी. पहले ही ओवर में मुनव्वीरा को वापस भेज दिया है धैर्य दलाल ने.
Should have gone in the first over. He's gone now nevertheless. Edging to first leg. Fielder Tilakratne Dilshan making no mistake. And that's Munawira walking back out for 4.
ये इन्होंने एंजॉय किया है. साकेत ने पॉइंट के ऊपर से चौका लगाया है.
Digs it out this time, flicks it off his pads. He'll finish the over with another 4.
बेहतरीन स्ट्रोक वहां पर. कोई मौका नहीं किसी भी खिलाड़ी के लिए. सारे खिलाड़ी, सारे फील्डर दर्शक बन के गेंद को देखते गए.
Just like this, but not on the other side. That'll be a massive 6. Or is it? Oh! Well,
जो फील्डर थे उनकी भी तारीफ करनी होगी. बहुत देर तक इंतजार किया और इस पूरे प्रयास में थे कि अगर जरा सा भी मौका मिल जाएगा तो मैं कैच को लपक लूंगा.
and there's another shot. Will clear down. No doubt. Take no doubt in Sakit.
और इस बार यूसुफ पठान ने गेंद को खेला है. ओह! This is the power of Yusuf Pathan.
I told you this man is coming. He's tasted blood now. Yusuf Pathan. The trademark Yusuf Pathan.
और एक और चौका साकेत के बल्ले से. इस बार ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर गेंद को ड्राइव कर दिया.
Oh, this time it goes down the ground. And that's another big one. But will just be a boundary.
और थर्ड मैन पे 1 रन मिलेगा और इस तरीके से 50 रन पूरे हुए हैं साकेत के. 8 ओवर की समाप्ति पर 80 पे 2.
Full toss, and that's a gift that he is not going to deny. First, he is in brilliant nick. And second, Azrak bhai, if you bowl him a full toss, it's going to go out of the ground.
और इस बार मौका था यूसुफ पठान.
But no excuses for such errors. This time around, he goes a little wider off that fielder. To the ball, and Yusuf Pathan is behind that fielder at long on.
Oh, this time he will get that. Oh, that's a big hit. And Yusuf Pathan will join the party.
गिवी बॉल थी अगर कहेंगे तो. लेग स्टंप के बाहर थी और उसी लाइन के साथ खेल दिया है. हवा में मौका यहां पर. कीपर उसके पीछे और छोड़ दिया है.
And well, that looked like a melee. There were 4 players running. Eventually, none of them catch it. They had ample time to gather, and then, in fact, the wicketkeeper went towards it. Yusuf will go forward and will get that 50. The man in the first game itself smashes an impressive 50. That's how that man will make his remarkable comeback. This time goes high, but might not go all the distance. Oh, this time he's taken it. This time he's gone. No lives given.
इस बार मौका बना और प्रशांत यादव ने कोई गलती नहीं की। पिछले ओवर में जो उन्होंने गलती की थी बाउंड्री पर, इस बार उसकी भरपाई की है। काफी देर हवा में टंगी रही गेंद, आगे बढ़कर आए और अच्छे से पकड़ लिया कैच को। लेकिन क्या पारी खेली है यहाँ पर साकेत शर्मा ने। 84 रन बनाकर जा रहे हैं। 169 पर 3 इस समय स्कोर हो चुका है 16वें ओवर में।
और 3-6 और लीजिए ये चौका आया। नया बैट तो अभी नहीं आया है, लेकिन पुराने बैट से यूसुफ अभी भी धुन रहे हैं गेंदों को।
The leg spin Amit comes in. Peter Drago comes straight to us in the corner box. Almost there. Almost there on the bounce also. Sunil bhai, he could have taken it on the second bounce. But Drago also joins in the party. Fast big hit for him.
खरबूजे को देख के खरबूजा ऐसे रंग बदलता है प्रभु। इस पर स्लो स्वीप।
Peter Drago. Perfect swing off the bat to a mid wicket. Full toss goes big. Field under there. Two fielders converging. And it's been taken by the fielder at deep mid wicket. It's consistently played the IPL. Oh, what's that area? What's with that area for the MP Tigers? Straight over the bowler's head. 6 runs. The first one that Sunil Bhayu uttered. Oh, shabash. What a shot.
गेंद आई थी स्लॉट में, गई वो स्टेडियम के बाहर वाले प्लॉट में, वहां भी बिल्डिंग बन जाएगी।
Oh yes, nicely bowled. A big appeal turned down by the umpire, and the ball's racing to the boundary. It'll be stopped there. We'll see what the umpire says. Was it off the bat or was it going down? What does he say? There's nothing that he's saying. So there was bat, is what the umpire is saying. So now respite for the Rajasthan Eagles that it's all done. The carnage is finally over. 20 overs, a mammoth score of 237 by the MP Tigers. The first time we are seeing them on day 3, but what a welcome, what an entry by the MP Tigers in the EaseMyTrip.com Big Cricket League. Oh, happy batting card for them. Happy batting card. 84-44 for Saket, 86 of 54 for Yusuf Pathan. Prego and Binny played their small innings.
और देखना होगा कि क्या राजस्थान रीगल्स इस लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करते हैं।
This is Tilakratne Dilshan, almost 2,000 runs in his T20I career for Sri Lanka, and of course the inventor of Dil Scoop.
समर्थ श्रीनिवास हैं दूसरे बल्लेबाज, सलामी बल्लेबाज राजस्थान रीगल्स के लिए। स्टुअर्ट बिन्नी को आप सभी जानते हैं, इंडिया प्लेयर, IPL प्लेयर।
Can Samarth do the magic here? Good start by Binny, cramping him first up, but of course we don't expect big runs from the very first ball. Oh, he's connected. That one, that's flying. It's not stopping. He's asking for a no ball as well. The number of fielders outside the circle are 3. And yes, it's been given a no ball. So the 6 and a no ball, and the next one will be a free hit. Pull this time. Clear the field, clear the rope. Picked it up. Too short. And he's made it count.
यहाँ शॉर्ट ऑफ लेंथ बॉल थी, बैकफुट पर गए, जगह बनाई और इस बार गेंद को खेल दिया है सीमा रेखा के बाहर 4 रनों के लिए।
Oh, that didn't connect. And it's out of the park. Big 6.
लेकिन इस बार मौका था दिलशान के पास। हाफ फ्लिक, हाफ ड्राइव उछाल दिया मिड विकेट क्षेत्र में 6 रनों के लिए।
Shot and hammered through mid wicket for a boundary.
And clean ball! Oh, there was a let off, but after that, Amit Mishra comes back and in style.
30 पर वापस दिलशान, 38 पर 1 रीगल्स।
With Tilakaratne Dilshan back in the dugout, they'll need many more of those. What a way to get off the mark.
टेंशन यहां बॉलर्स को लेनी पड़ेगी।
Short ball pulled in the air. Fielders interested at deep backward square leg. Oh, at a moment it felt like he hadn't judged it, but eventually he's taken the catch and an animated, nice celebration.
इस बार चौंकाया छोटी गेंद से। क्योंकि पिछली गेंद पिच टफ थी, इस बार छोटी गेंद आई, टाइमिंग बहुत अच्छी हुई नहीं। अर्नव सब्स्टिट्यूट फील्डर हैं, आसान कैच मुश्किल बन गया। अमित वर्मा 18 पे वापस, 73 पे 2 हैं रीगल्स।
Cuts it again. Would probably be 2. They're running hard between the wicket. He could have done better. He certainly could have.
काफी अच्छा टीम एटमॉस्फेयर था, जो वाइब थी, जो एनर्जी थी टीम की। इनफैक्ट जब प्रैक्टिस मैच भी चल रहा था तो ये देखिए, ये पीछे ये हमारी जो लक है ना, वो काम आ रहा है।
Yes. In the meanwhile, we'll have to go back to the com box because it's a follow for wicket.
And you talk about a magical turnaround of things. And then this is what happens. What a catch.
भाई स्टुअर्ट बिनी के हाथ में बैट हो या बॉल हो या कुछ भी ना हो, तो वो कैचिंग से आपको प्रभावित करेंगे। ओह, स्टुअर्ट बिनी।
Wicket first ball for the left arm spinner. First ball of the new over and the wicket came. Sir Parikshit Jadhav out for 10, 114 for 4. And he goes downtown. It's a big shot and it will sail over the rope.
निश्चित तौर पर मौका था मेहुल के पास, ऊपर गेंद थी, लेकिन अंजाम देना आवश्यक और साइड स्क्रीन के पास भेज दिया।
Oh, he's swept that nicely. Down on one knee and like I said, just a little too short. Big appeal, should be outside the option. No, the umpire raises his finger. That's a wicket for Munawira and Mehul is disappointed.
इस बार थोड़ी सी तेज गेंद फेंकी थी, बल्लेबाज उम्मीद नहीं कर रहे थे। गेंद टप्पा खाने के बाद अंदर आई, पुल करना चाहते थे और शायद इतनी छोटी नहीं थी और विकेट के सामने पकड़े गए। अंपायर को कोई अतिशोक्ति नहीं उन्हें LBW करार देने में। मेहुल पटेल ने बनाए 17 रन 8 गेंदों में। गेंद को खेला और ये आउट। मिड विकेट के ऊपर से गेंद को खेलने का प्रयास था 6 रनों के लिए।
Yes, he had been trying different things, trying the aerial route or at least attempting so. This time finds the fielder. Connected well, but straight in the hands of the fielder. He's gone for 27. It's 135 for 6.
This time he gets it. He finally gets it. We're talking about the entertainment, Chaitanya. And when the last man gets it, the entire street gets happy. And another one. This is much more longer. Look at that. What part of his personality he has unleashed. That's end of the over. 156 for 8 at the end of 19. And this will run for another boundary yet again. So back-to-back 4s and 6s. And we'll do that again towards his offside. And that will run. We'll have to wait what happened there. It's a catch and will be out. Faizan, the dream run, my friend, is over. But you did well. 2 6s.
बड़ा शॉट मारने का प्रयास कर रहे थे, यूसुफ पठान को ढूंढ लिया। फैजान ने किए 14, 161 पर 9।
Would also go in for perhaps a single. And that's how things have been then. Yusuf Pathan, the man who's led the charge, led the team. Yusuf and Saket have been in prolific form, taking the team to the top. The first game they played today, and they've won convincingly. MP Tigers have roared loud and how, winning by 74 runs. So there it is. Tigers batting first, eventually got 237. That's the high scorer, let me tell you. And then Regals falling short by 74 runs amidst all that loud cheers.